All right, y'all, welcome back. We got good news. We got two big things that's gonna help us out here. We finally got the permit, and we also got and we also got temporary power. Now, getting temporary power is a huge step. So we've been running the generator at night for probably about an hour, maybe hour and a half. But the rest of the time we're on solar, and it seems to be working really good. The biggest problem is I have to run the air conditioner up to 76 at nighttime, or it'll kind of deplete the battery down a good bit. But I mean, it's been running really good. I think the biggest thing that we're ready for is probably to cut the air conditioner down a little lower at nighttime, and also maybe run the big air conditioner fan to kind of cool the whole camper down. But we need the power anyway for the guys that are going to come and do the work on the house, framers and whatnot. So we got to have the power anyway. Now, I got my uncle on the way out here who's going to give us a hand trying to get some of this done. Katie had to work today. She'll be here in a little while, so maybe we could put her to work too after she gets off work. She'll love that. I think today we're going to try to get some of these trees taken down and some of this cleaned up, make it look a little bit better out here, open this area up. We also want to get the camper moved at some point. Probably won't be today, but we got to get trees taken down to get it moved in a different position. So he should be here probably in the next 10 minutes, and we're gonna get started. I've been wanting to burn this fire for several weeks. I finally went ahead and just lit it. I'm gonna let it go. I plan on being here all day, so plus I'll have some help today, so we'll let this thing burn down. I've got a water hose, the fire extinguisher for all y'all safety nuts out there. We're not going to let this thing get out of control. Has the water hose, got the fire extinguisher. Alright, well, it's the next day. We spent all day getting this one tree down right here. It was just as tall as that one, a lot more branches on it. So you can see off in the distance all the pieces that we cut up. All these pieces here, pieces over there. We got all the limbs piled up over here. We still got limbs piled up here. This pile just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I'm gonna eventually have to burn it, but we got some reconfiguring we got to do today. So anyway, we're gonna head out, go pick up the tractor, get back out here. Probably gonna start again at the hottest part of the day, but that's how it goes.
can keep my sunglasses on.
Show you why we had to take this tree. It was rotten, but just to kind of give you an idea. That's probably 80% rotten fruit. So this would eventually broke off and fell on the house.